biker's overconfident ride, especially in such a place, turns into a pure lottery. Target fixation, which was the main reason of this fall, causes the rider to panic and brake rapidly. The large amount of gravel on the side of the road didn't forgive these mistakes.
Yeah, I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm good. It's just my bike. I'll be fine. Don't worry. Yeah.
Do you need a phone or anything?
No, I'm riding with the group. They're just pulling up right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. No, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Are you okay?
It was a low slide, so.
He said he's good, so it's fine.
It was a low slide. I was going slow.
Oh, so you dropped it. You didn't.
Yeah.
You want to Alright, God bless. God bless. Put it down and then we'll. I'll pull it up. Oh, there we go.
Let me get the kickstand down.
Get the kickstand, yeah. Alright, baby, you're fine. You're fine. Wait, your wheel weight popped off. Is that your wheel weight? Or no, oh, no, that's not your wheel weight, is it? This right here. Did you saw it?
No, that's not mine.
That's not yours? Okay.
Yeah, mine are. Mine are, yeah.
Alright, perfect. Oh, damn, this is a big.
I low slided.
Dude.
Use the cross lights. Cross lights.
Despite the driver seeing the oncoming bikers, he decided to make a U-turn in the worst possible spot. The biker, however, made sure that the driver remembered and avoided similar mistakes.
What's wrong with you, bro? Did you see what you just do? Less than 2 seconds, you turn left, you idiot!
Hey, my bad.
What do you mean, my bad?
Dude, just watch it next time, man.
You say my bad? You can't kill either one!
Okay.
Next, we have some common road situations that perfectly represent a complete disregard for safe and sensible driving. The driver hit the brakes and decided to do his maneuver so abruptly that he didn't give the biker any chance.
Kolla nästa gång. Kolla alltså. Så.
Förlåt, det var inte meningen. Det var bara för
Vet du hur skrämd vi jag blev?
Förlåt gubben.
För fan har du.
Sorry gubben.
What the hell were you doing?
I said sorry.
You nearly killed me.
I'm sorry. I didn't see you pull out.
You need to cut your eyes and your head.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I know you got your little girl there.
I'm sorry.
Good afternoon guys, welcome. Sorry mate, I hit your mirror. Yeah, sorry. Yes?
You don't see where you're going.
Sorry?
You don't see where you're going.
No, I was seeing, but it was just too little space and I didn't fit and I hit your mirror with my mirror. Is it fine? Because if there is no damage, it should be fine. Yeah, I don't see any damage.
Okay, alright.
So sorry about that, okay? Thanks.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.